Imagine this, you get in your car, fill up the tank and set out on a journey with nothing but the open road ahead of you. Now picture driving all the way from Los Angeles to Vancouver, crossing state lines, passing through cities and forests, and never once having to stop for gas, or to plug in and recharge. Sounds like science fiction, right? Something out of a futuristic movie, where cars run endlessly and road trips are truly uninterrupted. But the future is here, and it's not what you expect. It's not reserved for the ultra-rich or for concept cars you'll never see on the road. This isn't a $1 million concept car, or a prototype hidden away in a lab. It's a real sedan you can buy today, one that's within reach for everyday drivers. BYD, or Build Your Dreams, has just changed the game with their new hybrid technology, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Their Chin-L sedan recently completed a jaw-dropping feat, driving over 2,100 kilometers, or more than 1,300 miles, on a single tank and one battery charge. That's a distance that would take you across entire countries. Most cars on the road today barely get 400 miles per tank, and that's if you're lucky, or driving a fuel-efficient model. This one goes 3 times farther, cruising past gas stations and charging points like they're relics of the past. It's a leap in technology that makes us rethink the whole gas versus electric debate. Blurring the lines between the two worlds. For years we worried about range anxiety, about finding the next charging station, and about whether we'd make it to our destination without a long stop. But what if you could have the best of both worlds? The convenience of gasoline and the efficiency of electric, all in one car. Electric efficiency for your daily drives around town, running errands or commuting to work, and gasoline freedom for those epic road trips, spontaneous adventures, or long family vacations. That's the promise of BYD's new hybrid, a car that adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what a hybrid can be, setting a new standard for the industry. No more compromises. Now you get performance, efficiency, and peace of mind, all in one package. This isn't just about one car or one company. It's a shift in the entire auto world, a wake-up call for the industry. The idea of stopping every few hundred miles is starting to look ancient, like something from a bygone era. This 2,100-kilometer drive is more than a record. It's a statement that the standards have changed, and expectations are higher than ever. Every car maker is now on notice, challenged to innovate and keep up with this new reality. The competition just got a lot more interesting, and the race to the future is officially on. Buckle up, we're about to dive deep into the groundbreaking tech that's making this revolution possible, and see how it could change the way we drive forever. The secret? It's not just about what's under the hood, it's about a revolution in how hybrids work. BYD's 5th-generation DM hybrid system. DM stands for dual mode, and it's setting new standards in the industry. This isn't your old-school hybrid, it's a leap forward, combining the best of electric and gasoline power in a way that's never been done before. At its heart is a super-efficient 1.5-liter gasoline engine, designed from the ground up for hybrid performance. Most of the time, this engine acts as a generator, quietly powering the electric motor and recharging the battery as you drive. BYD achieved a world record 46% thermal efficiency. Most engines barely hit 35%. That's a huge leap in engineering. That means you get more power from every drop of fuel, with up to 81 miles per gallon, making long road trips more affordable and eco-friendly. It's a plug-in hybrid, so you can charge it at home like a pure electric vehicle for your daily drives, saving even more on fuel. For most commutes, you'll use only electric power. The gas engine might not run for days, giving you a quiet, zero-emission ride. But when you need to go the distance, the gas engine kicks in seamlessly. No range anxiety, ever. Just smooth, uninterrupted travel. The electric motor delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration, making every drive feel responsive and fun. The gas engine only powers the wheels at high, steady speeds, like on the freeway, maximizing efficiency where it matters most. Sophisticated software manages everything for maximum efficiency, constantly optimizing the balance between electric and gas power. It's not just two engines. It's a smart, integrated system that adapts to your driving style and needs. This is hybrid tech, redefined. Smarter, cleaner, and more capable than ever before. Tesla set the standard for long-range EVs. Model 3. Long range gets about 341 miles per charge. Impressive, but for a road trip from San Francisco to Phoenix, you'll need to stop and charge. Maybe more than once. Each stop can take 30 minutes to an hour. BYD's new hybrids? Over 2,100 kilometers, 1,300 miles, on a single tank and charge. You could drive to Phoenix and almost all the way back before refueling. For daily driving, BYD's electric-only range covers most commutes. 90% of your driving is pure electric, with gas as backup for long trips. No more planning around charging stations, the freedom of a gas car, the efficiency of an EV. It's not about choosing one or the other anymore. BYD proves you can have both. The debate just got a lot more interesting. Let's meet the cars, the Chin L and Seal 06. The Chin L is classic and elegant. The Seal 06 is sporty and modern. Both look great anywhere in the world. Inside you get a big rotating touchscreen, digital gauges and premium materials. Driver assist features like adaptive cruise and lane keeping come standard. Both use the same efficient 1.5-liter engine. Choose between two battery sizes, about 50 or 75 miles of electric range. For most, the standard battery covers daily needs without using gas. The driving experience, smooth, quiet, and instant, thanks to the electric motor. No gear shifts, no engine noise, just seamless power. When the gas engine runs, it's so quiet, you barely notice. It feels like driving the future. A great hybrid needs a great battery. BYD's Blade battery is just that. BYD is one of the world's largest battery makers, and the Blade is a game changer. Instead of small cells, it uses long, flat blades for strength and space efficiency. Safety? The Blade battery aces the nail penetration test. No fire, no smoke. It's arguably the safest EV battery out there. It uses lithium iron phosphate chemistry, known for durability. Over 5,000 charge cycles, enough for 370,000 miles with minimal degradation. The design allows faster charging and better heat dissipation. The battery pack is part of the car's chassis, making it stiffer and safer. BYD designs the battery and car together for maximum performance. The result? Safety, longevity, and efficiency in one package. It's a true engineering marvel. The Blade battery sets a new standard. BYD's secret weapon, vertical integration. They make almost everything themselves. While most automakers buy parts from suppliers, BYD designs and builds batteries, motors, chips, and more. This means all components work together perfectly from day one. It's like a chef growing every ingredient for the perfect dish. This approach led to their record-breaking efficiency. It also shields them from supply chain issues. Remember the global chip shortage? BYD kept building while others waited for parts. Making everything in-house cuts costs too. Those savings go straight to the customer. It's a triple threat: innovation, reliability, and affordability. When you hear about a car with record-breaking range, a battery that's both safe and innovative, and a cabin packed with high-tech features, you'd probably assume it comes with a hefty price tag, right? Most people expect to pay a premium for this kind of advanced technology and performance. But BYD is changing the game. The BYD Chin L and Seal 06, two of their latest models, started under $14,000 in China, an almost unbelievable price for what you get. That's actually less than what you'd pay for a base Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic, which are considered budget-friendly cars in many markets. So, how does BYD pull this off? The answer lies in their vertical integration and massive scale of operations. As the world's largest plug-in vehicle maker, BYD sold over 3 million vehicles in 2023 alone, giving them unmatched economies of scale. Their ability to mass-produce vehicles efficiently drives costs down even further, making advanced cars accessible to more people. For comparison, a Tesla Model 3 starts at $39,000 in the US, almost 3 times the price of a BYD. Yet the BYD offers more range and greater flexibility, all for a fraction of the cost. It's not just about price, it's about value. In fact, for the cost of a single Tesla, you could buy 2 BYDs and still have money left over for extras or upgrades. This isn't just a small difference in price, it's a complete shakeup of the global car market, forcing everyone to rethink what's possible. BYD's aggressive pricing strategy is designed to capture market share quickly and make electric and hybrid cars mainstream. Now, advanced, long-range vehicles are within reach for families, young professionals, and first-time buyers alike. The competition has no choice but to catch up. and they'll have to do it fast, or risk being left behind in this new era of affordable innovation. For decades, the auto world was ruled by American, Japanese, and German giants. Now, BYD and other Chinese automakers are leading the charge. This isn't about cheap copies, it's about innovation and world-class engineering. BYD is expanding globally, building factories and selling cars in Europe, Asia, Australia, and Latin America. They're not just exporting, they're building a global footprint. Their arrival is shaking up the industry. Legacy automakers are scrambling to compete. Governments are taking notice, but innovation can't be stopped. Consumers win with better value and more choices. The center of automotive innovation is shifting east. BYD is building a new paradigm for the industry. What does this mean for you? More choices, better tech, and lower prices. BYD's competition is a win for consumers. No more compromises. Plug-in hybrids bridge the gap to an all-electric future, with no range anxiety. It's the ideal solution while charging infrastructure grows. Other automakers must now innovate and lower prices to keep up. This will accelerate better batteries, motors, and affordable EVs for everyone. The bar is higher, and we all benefit. BYD's 2100-kilometer hybrid isn't just a car, it's democratizing technology. The future of clean, efficient transport is here for all. The road ahead is brighter, longer, and more exciting than ever.